All right, let's get started. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you guys for tuning in for another episode. We're back out here on the kayaks. It is a beautiful spring day today, but it's another windy day, sunny day. It's like 2 o'clock. We got about 4 or 5 hours to catch some fish. I'm actually out here with two of my buds, Eastern Angling and Fisherman Joe, who have their own YouTube channel. But yeah, they fish here a lot. We ended up meeting up and fishing together. But yeah, they're on the other side of the lake right now. It's a nice day. I got a jig, underspin, and after that day yesterday, topwater whopper plopper going on for sure. But we're not going to bore you guys with the long intro. We're going to see if we can catch some bass. Let's go. Alright, starting off with that casting jig. Bluegill color. It's a lot calmer than I thought it would be out here. So jig should be frickin' saucy. Come on, this point should be perfect, dude. Got him. He almost ripped the rod out of my hand. Feels like a real good one, dude. Yep, that's a nice one. Turning right at me. Oh, he's tiny. Never mind. He felt big, he pulled hard. Hell yeah, the first fish on the jig, I knew off that point, I said it. Just a small guy, real skinny. Popped right out. All right, buddy, thank you for being the first bite. Skinny lawn guy. I'm gonna fish this point more because I have a feeling there's gonna be a couple more off here. He almost ripped the rod out of my hand, dude. All right, let me post back up. All right, I gotta throw that underspin. It's too windy for a jig. Let it sink a little. And slow reel. Tunnel fish, question mark? Fish in the tunnel. Tunnel fish. Second try. Nope, no tunnel fish today. Under the boat, second try. That a fish? Got him. Yep. Fish on. Oh, nice one. Nice one. Underspin. Don't keep it tight. Don't lose the paddle. Nice fish. Oh. Skin touch, dude. Barely. Hell yeah, dude. Underspin. He hit it once and then freaking just started swimming with it. Holy crap. Look at that. Boop. Alright, not as big as I thought, but another pretty little bass. Dose fish for me. Let's get you on your way. And I'm gonna back up. Oh, that's so cool. Just watching them swim off like that. Right under that tree. I know there's a little guy sitting there, like 100%. He just won't eat, I promise. Got him. Or it's... Oh no, that's a big one, dude. Oh my god. That was so weird. Oh my god, dude. Alright, and I'm tangled in the... Oh my god, dude. We're gonna... Hell yeah. Woo! Dude, he was charging at me. See that? Wow. He just ticked it and he choked it. Holy crap. Look at how he ate that thing. Oh my god, it's way down there. Wow, dude. Look at that one. That's all day at 2. Maybe a little more. Big old mouth on her. That's a pretty bass right there, lawn fish. Yep, let's break my rods against somebody's dock. That sounds like a plan. Dude, he ticked it, started sprinting at me. I wasn't sure if it was a stick or what it was, but I can tell now it's a fish. All right, big bass, beautiful fish. Let's get you back in the agua where you belong. You all right? All right, I was rude, but third fish for me. Really damn windy, I'm sorry about that, but third fish of the day, biggest one of the day. How about a 2-pounder? I gotta put another swim bait on. Got him? Top water? Heck yeah, dude. Have you caught any back here? Yeah. Oh my God. Dude, that's a big one. Heck yeah. Oh, that's a big one. Oh. Dude, get in here. Got him. That's a 3-pounder all day. Yeah. Oh man, that might be 4, dude. Oh my God. Back to back topwater. It's a nice one. I mean, Ben just got slammed on topwater, then me on the whopper plopper. That's all every bit of 3 pounds. Might be 4. Holy crap. Yeah, probably not 4, but 3.5. Yeah. All right, buddy. Let's get you back where you belong. Look how big he looks like that. Into the agua. Woohoo! That's my biggest fish on topwater of the year. That was insane. That was so cool on that whopper plopper. He kind of came right up to me and said, catch me. He didn't even, he kind of just slammed that thing. That's all I have to say. That's what I should say. He slammed it. All right. I got a fish on. Little fish. Actually not a bad one. God dang, I thought it was a turtle. That's why I was so quiet. Alright, buddy. Get in here, no net today. Alright, buddy. Back in this cove. I was so quiet about it because I thought it was a freaking turtle. A turtle had boiled right next to my lure. And then he coincidentally hit at the exact same time. It's literally like a foot shallow here. Just proves that there's fish everywhere. Buddy, go back to your dirt home. Right under the yak. On that underspin, dude. Hit right next to the frickin' boat. That was sick. Oh. Yeah. Got him. Oh, nice fish. Really nice fish. Where's my net? Real nice fish. Get in here. Thank you, sir. He was literally in inches of water on the bank. Nice bass. Fish number 6. Wow. You got a big old head on you, guy. Hey, buddy. How's it rocking? Beautiful fish. Look at that, girl. That is one beautiful bass. Just ate that jig literally right when it hit the water off that bank. He sprinted with it. You're so pretty, buddy. Man, it's so cool watching him swim off like that. Such pretty fish. Ate that jig. Fish number 6. Whew. That's so much fun. Oh yeah, I just got annihilated. Oh, does he still have it? Yep. Oh, pulled it out of his mouth. Felt smell. Oh. Got him that. Oh, dude, that might have actually been like a decent one. Yep, that's not a fish. Never mind. Oh yeah, it is. Got him. Oh, that's a big fish, guys. That's a real big fish. I think so. Yep, that's a frickin'. Oh my God, look at him pull the drag. Don't throw it. Don't throw it. Get in here. Hell yeah, guys. He's in the frickin' net. Hell yeah. Woo. That's a 4-pounder all day, maybe. Oh yeah. Look at that guy. Or girl, I should say. That is such a beautiful fish. Let me turn around so the sun is not blinding y'all. Look at that fish, y'all. That is a beaut. That's a post-spawn big female bass. That is awesome, y'all. On that jig. All right. Woo. She ripped drag. I don't know if you guys saw it because reel was above the GoPro, but let's get this girl on her way quickly. No, I don't. Actually, I kind of want to measure her real quick. Got a measuring tape on the side right here. Nose right there. Tail back. That's a 20-inch bass. Just under 20, actually. 20-inch bass. Probably about a 4-pounder. Let's let her go. All right, girl. Just like that. I missed her twice. Wait, I think I missed her once. I missed two there. Missed one there. Whew. That was a big fish, guys. That was a nice fish. Oh, that's a fish. Yep, that's another nice one. Yep, that's another 3-4-pounder. Oh my God, that might be 5. All right. Jumper, eh? All right. Like I said, the big ones are biting. The big ones are biting. Skinny guy, but absolutely oh my God, his jaw's broken. Poor guy. Look at that jig. Gone forever. Gone forever. Woo! That's another like 21-inch bass, dude. That's all day like a 21-incher. Dude, what's up with these long, skinny fish? And look at his lip. His jaw's broken right there. Poor guy. All right, buddy. Let's get you right back to where you were. You beautiful fish. Thank you. Right under the yak he goes. Love it when they go under the kayak. It's just kind of satisfying to watch. Hey.
I've been here for like 20 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Come on, because we gotta go home and cook dinner.
All right.
All right, bye.
Bye. Am I getting bit, my guy? Dude, I have a fish on. Do I? Yep. Got him. Oh, got him out. Little guy, relax. Bro, my mom just called and told us we needed to go. That's gonna be the last cast of the day for sure. It was just dragging. All right, buddy. Thank you very much. Have a fantastic rest of your Sunday. We'll see y'all next week.